Go. It's our cameraman. No, allow them. It's our cameraman. Sit. Go.
Communicating with me long before today, when we were under the flood and still under the flood. He was out of the country, and he told me that as soon as he comes in, he was coming to show his love to the people of Bayelsa. So we have him with us today. Atiku Abubakar. Let us talk to him. He just didn't come today. As he came, he has seen the level of devastation in our state. He came prepared. He didn't say he's coming to respond to you later. No. He has already given me the sum of 50 million naira. His donation to all the victims affected by this flood. That money is already in our hands, and we will use it to take care of the IDPs. But he said he will not go unless he comes to see you. He comes to see you. So he has come to see you, and he will speak to you. He will encourage you the same way I have been encouraging you. He has come as a father. We are happy as a state that he has come. We are happy because our father has come, and he is behaving as a father. So let me now take the liberty to invite a man full of human milk, a man full of compassion, a leader by all stretch and imaginations, a man whose word you can take to the bank. May I invite? Then let me also remind you, you know, we have also lost a lot of people to this flood. Children have died, old women have died. Today I went to Oporoma, and I was trying to be happy to say that in Oporoma we have not lost anybody. I was just there reminded that one old woman just died 2 days ago. There are a lot of deaths that we have not even recorded in the interland. But because our leader is a compassionate leader, the head of the footballer who was rescuing people up to the 5th person, and later sacrificed his own life. So our leader recognizes sacrifices. Our leader has given a posthumous award to the family of those who are alive, the footballer who sacrificed his life by rescuing other people. Not only did he give the posthumous award, he has also given a scholarship to the children of the footballer, the late footballer. Clap for him, please. So, let me now take the liberty to invite the Waziri Adamawa, former Vice President of the Federal Republic, and of all the people, there is only one person who answers that title, former Vice President of the Federal Republic. Incoming. Your Excellency, our father, our leader, my leader, my father, I hand over the microphone, sir.
Eyes on. Yeah. Eyes on. Yeah. God bless you. God bless you. Well, how do you feel? I have come here to join you, to let you know that you are not the only people who are feeling what you are feeling. The fact that we are far away from you doesn't mean we don't feel how you feel. We have come to share in your despair. We have come to share your sorrow. We have come to share your want. And we have come to share everything that you feel today. And we want to let you know that we will continue to be with you until this temporary situation is brought to an end. If I were to come here every day, I want to promise you every day I will put something down. But unfortunately, I can't, because I cannot be everywhere, because I'm only one single individual. I have just been shown a lady who looks after you here. Is she around? And I'm told she is also an honorable member of the House. I want to commend you for what you are doing. At least for my visit this evening, I undertake your dinner tonight. So I'm giving her the sum of 5 million naira for your dinner. I want to assure you that we will continue to support you until you get back to your normal life. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
States to Igbogen community. To Bayelsans, through for profit and is distributed to other Uganda communities adversely affected. More relief materials are expected to be airlifted to parts of the country to affected flooded communities in Bayelsa State. Compared to the donation of 350 million naira worth of food items to flood victims in the state. Governor Diri made the appeal when Dr. Azibaku Erwani, president of the church, paid a 30 visit to Government House Yenkwa. The governor commended Dr. Erwani, who was son of the state, for identifying with the people of the state, noting that it's a demonstration of his love for Bayelsans in the time of distress. The state's chief executive, who also commented on the Bayelsa International, and took some urgent steps to rehabilitate portions of the road, linking the facility to enable United Nigeria Airlines to resume commercial flights and operations. Governor Diri stated his call on the federal government to intervene in undertaking repair work of rivers and delta.
We are talking with our neighboring states to see what we can do to do some palliative work on the east-west road. We use this opportunity to call again on the federal government to immediately
travel freely. Other Nigerians can also travel freely in and out of Bayelsans State. I will use this opportunity to call on our brothers as done today.
Governor Dewey also urged the Atiku group to expedite action on its modular refining project in order to enhance supply of petroleum products to the state.
Looking for ways and means of importing petroleum products to Yenagoa. As we speak, we are even offering some financial support to see how we can work as stressed as we are today.
Earlier, Dr. Bayelsans said his visit was to offer hope to the people since the state by the flood. He said the massive devastation caused by this year's flood is from his management's decision to donate the food items to the victims.
Looking for ways
and to ensure that they support the state from the availability of sand to all infrastructural machinery that are needed, with also expert labor in ensuring that
Irani decried the tragic loss of lives, missing persons and the untold hardship that the people are grappling with as a result of the natural disaster, and applauded Governor Dewey for the proactive measures deployed in handling the serious and post-flood challenges should not be left to the government alone, called on the federal government, international community and corporate bodies to urgently come and assist the extension of the break for civil servants in the state for another 1 week. Last Tuesday, the Bayelsa State Chief Executive, during a state broadcast, announced that he's given Mokumo Akwangolo as Deputy Chief of Akwele Compound in Koyama 2 community in southern Ijo local government area of Bayelsa State. 2 babies were delivered at an IDP camp at Agura, opposite Agogi Car Wash, and they've been given a special treat by Nengi James Foundation. They donated towels, cash and other items to the babies, and the flood victims. Their donations will go a long way.
I want to sincerely thank you for thinking about this, our people. Many people are here displaced by the flood.
The Nengi James Foundation for taking out time to visit them, noting that no government official has visited them or donated.